I thank the Lord for the 13 wonderful years. Happy anniversary, my love. I clearly remember the first time I saw you. You're on the third row and I'm on the last. Heard someone singing the same song I was singing in my head. So I asked you first. And the rest is history.
Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can?
Ken, regalo sa iyo ng Panginoon, si Christina. Ayaw ng Diyos na ikaw ay mapag-isa. Sa iyong pagtanda, makakasama mo si Christina sa hirap at ginhawa.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Nakipag-bargain ako kay Lord. Umiyak ako, sabi ko, Lord, kung may makalaan kang iba sa akin, wag na lang po. Date to marry kasi ang goal ko. Pero kung may ilalaan ka sa akin, pwede bang si Kenzo na lang po ulit? Kasi feeling ko, wala nang ibang darating na katulad ni Kenzo.
Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for
Last chapter being my girlfriend, fiancé, and now the new chapter has begun as my wife. Sobrang saya ko dahil kaharap ko na yung taong pakakasalan ko, pinakamamahal ko at makakasama ko hanggang pumuti na ang mga buhok ko.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment.
Biruin mo sa lahat ng thesis at bunutan ng pangalan. Hindi inaasahang tao'y pinagsasama sa isang grupo. At sa mga pangyayaring yon, madami akong na-discover. Kung akala kong masungit at mukhang matapang, kabaliktaran pa ng lahat ng iyon. Napakasarap mo palang kasama.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be.
Sa mismo araw ng kasal ko, kumpleto kami ngayon yung pinakamasarap.
To know who I am.
Today, I stand before you, ready to commit my love and my life to you, to love you with all my heart, to cherish and respect. I promise to be your unwavering support, to share my hopes and fears, to honor and protect this love with respect, kindness, and understanding. I promise to be your partner through every season of our life. With you, I have discovered a love deeper than I ever thought possible. I love you, my love. Happy anniversary.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
13 years exactly today. Ito yung petsa na tinanong kita kung sinasagot mo na ba ako as your boyfriend. At ito rin yung petsa at araw na kung dati ang sagot mo sa akin ay oo, boyfriend na kita. And now ito rin yung araw at petsa na ang isasagot mo na sa akin ay yes, I do as your wife.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you.
Naalala ko ba dati nung una kitang nakita sa jeep? Oh, si jeep yun. Tanda ko pa na nag-iisa kang estudyante noon at napansin ko ang mga magaganda mong mata. Mukha mong masungit at matapang na mukha. Makalipas ang ilang araw, matapos ang isang sempo sa pag-aaral. Muli tayong nagkita at nagkasama sa isang room. Napaisip ako, napa-flashback, sabi ko parang nakita ko na itong babaeng to. Sadyang napakakulit ng tadhana. Tadhana pa talaga ang gumagawa ng paraan para tayo mapalapit sa isa't isa.
To the love of my life, definitely this one makes you smile. It's classic and so you are. Happy anniversary, my love. You and I until the end of time. I love you.
Hi, mahal ko. Happy 13th anniversary. See you later. This is it. I love you so much. Kenro. Wow.